Hello everyone, welcome back to LanCT. Today we are diving into beloved New England tradition, collecting maple sap and turning it into delicious maple syrup. Stay with me and explore the process from the tree to table in Connecticut. We drove around strawberry and saw many bags on the trees, but we never saw anyone nearby. I wondered about the blue bags on the trees until I met Uncle Scott. He explained sap collection and maple syrup production to me and suggested visiting the Flanders Nature Center in Woodbury to learn more about how to make maple syrup in Connecticut.
The best time to tap maple trees for sap collection is late winter to early spring, typically from February to early April in Connecticut. Days need to be above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, nights need to be below 30 degrees Fahrenheit in order to get a run of sap. The tapping season typically lasts 4 to 6 weeks, but it ends once daytime temperatures stay consistently warm or the trees begin to bud. When buds break, the sap develops an off flavor, signaling the end of syrup production for the season.
Smooth will outside goes in.
This will go into the tree.
Okay.
And then this will hang on here.
Awesome.
So as long as you're, and you want it, I mean, you can see where the buckets are. You know, you don't want it.
Right.
So straight in, upward angle.
Yeah.
Bump, bump.
Okay.
Bunk, bunk, bunk. Bunk. Okay. And then you just hang it.
Perfect.
And wait. Down.
Okay.
Because the
I
sap
thought when
will
you
run
stuck
down
it in
and
there,
down.
yeah,
it's going to look
Okay.
just like that.
Okay. I thought when you stuck it in there, you turned it.
Right there.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Piece of cake.
Today we're gonna go to tap the maple in the backyard. Look, see this one. I'm gonna try this one. Okay, everybody, okay, let's go. Right away, huh?
That's it.
Mm-hmm. Wow, we got a right tree. Lucky. You see about something here.
Okay.
Like this, the
Yeah, that's good.
It cannot go in anymore. Cannot go in anymore.
Then I had to get to do it. You're not supposed to do that.
Huh?
You're not supposed to do that.
So it's okay to
No, it's not.
go more?
Yeah. You're not supposed to pull it in and out. It's supposed to be one shot.
Do it like that.
Gonna have to be.
Say her hammer. Oh, run right away. Good, honey. Sit. Tap, 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 tap. Right away work. Wow, good job. Scott. Put it down. This is easier.
That's good.
Yeah, cover the whole bug not coming. Tap over here. Good, right?
Yep.
Wow, you see how long it's full. Wow, you guys see? It runs so fast. Right here. Ooh. Wow. 5 minutes later, we have some sap already. Ooh. Running fast today, warm. To get sharp. Look, I got a full bag of sharp. Oh, it's frozen. Frozen inside. I don't think we can get it, honey.
You take it off.
I know, it's frozen inside.
You take it off.
Just
It's
take the
gotta
whole
come
bag
off.
away, huh?
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Wow, it's a big eye inside. Oh my God, the whole thing.
It's gonna come off. You gonna carry it?
I try, okay? Oh. I can do it. I think so. Oh, it's a big piece of ice. Okay.
Time. Oh, you do have a bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, really interesting.
It's not as sweet as honey, but it has a lot of flavor. Have you tried
So what we doing now?
Well, what I'm doing here is I'm measuring the density.
Oh.
This is calibrated, so when this liquid is thick enough,
Yeah.
this will float right at that top red line.
Yes.
So when I drop it in like this, you can see I'm just starting to float. So I don't have enough sugar in this right now to be able to call it syrup.
Yeah.
This is kind of like maple flavored water right now.
Yeah.
But as you evaporate, getting more and more of the water off, it becomes thicker and thicker, and this will get higher and higher. When it gets to that line there, you know you're at the thickness to be able to call it syrup.
Oh.
Right now, it's got a ways to go.
So how long you have to boil?
First time you start, about 6 to 8 hours. First time you do it. We will probably end up with about maybe 100 gallons.
100
So
gallons?
we're a small operation.
Yeah.
It's more for education and that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Some of your big commercial places will do thousands and thousands.
Wow, it's a
All right. Well, this is the evaporator.
Evaporator.
Yep.
Oh.
So when the sap comes to the building, okay, a tractor or a truck will pull up to the sugar house and we'll pump our sap into this tank up here. So that'll hold about 900 gallons of sap, and we'll have about maybe 2 or 3 days to cook through it before it starts to spoil. Because the bacteria will start to grow and they'll start eating your sugar inside the sap, working against you. So you really want to cook this. As long as you have sap, you want to get it boiled as quickly as you can.
Yeah.
So that'll run down this white pipe that you can see in the back here,
Yeah.
and then comes into the evaporator.
Oh.
In this area here. So this part of the evaporator is called a sap tank.
Sap
because
tank.
it's mostly sap.
Yeah.
And then these cans are called syrup cans because it's getting close to the syrup.
Yeah.
As it cooks and the water boils off, it's getting denser within the sugar behind.
Yeah.
So as it gets denser, it kind of flows this way through the system.
Yeah.
And then eventually you get to the point where it's like 3% sugar here coming out of the tree and gets to 66% sugar here. And then you can call it syrup.
Yeah.
And then the way we take it off or measure it, there's a couple of different ways. There's 3 different ways that you can measure to find out whether you're at syrup. One is the hydrometer.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
The other is the thermometer.
Oh.
Water will never get any hotter than 212 degrees
Yeah.
because it becomes steam.
Yeah.
But the denser a liquid gets, the higher the boiling point is.
Yeah.
So by tracking that temperature change,
Yeah.
you know you're getting thicker and thicker.
Yeah.
So this is the boiling point of water right here.
Yeah.
And then 7 degrees higher than that,
Yeah.
you can see the boiling point of syrup.
Oh.
So by watching the thermometer rise, we know we're getting closer and closer to what we can call syrup.
Yeah. Interesting.
And then when you get into that ballpark, then you use a hydrometer like I showed you, okay, now we're right there. And then we can pull off, we'll pull off maybe a half a bucket of syrup, okay?
Yeah.
And we'll move that over into this finishing tank, where there we'll then bottle it from.
Yeah.
Heat it up another night, get it over 180 degrees.
Wow, a lot of work. A lot of work.
Bottle our syrup. And folks like you are able to kind of enjoy syrup on pancakes.
Yeah.
Maple, whatever you want.
So how many years they prevent this machine?
This machine is probably about 20 years old now.
20 years old.
Yeah, so
Oh.
we had one before that was probably about 50 or 60 years old, and then we had to replace it.
Oh. Wow. So before that, like 100 years ago, maybe they do different way.
Yeah, they would cook it in like a big pot.
Yeah.
You know, and
Yeah. Yeah.
outside, they would put a fire underneath
Okay.
it, and they would pour it in little by little.
Oh.
This is a
Oh.
little bit, this is probably what a farm family would use maybe 100 years ago. We're doing it by wood.
Yeah.
and that kind of stuff.
So the farm family is still original family.
Well, the nature center used to be a big farm.
Yeah.
Kind of. And if we all lived 100 years ago, this
Yeah.
would be a real family operation.
Ah.
Everybody would take their turn
Yeah.
boiling,
Yeah.
pulling off, and bottling. There'd be a real family operation. Enough money to kind of keep going through the winter.
Yeah. Interesting. Oh my God, I like it.
That makes the cold weather better.